Number 35. The diagram contains information about the number and mass of organisms in a food web. What is the total biomass of all the primary consumers in this food web? Okay. What is the total biomass of all the primary consumers in this food web? Okay, so we just have to figure out what the primary consumers are. So hazelnuts are, of course, producers, right? Producers are often plants. Hazelnuts are plants. So, and the next one that eats hazelnuts is, of course, the primary consumer. So, squirrels and shrews. So if there are 150 squirrels, and if there are 3,500 shrews, we can do the math, right? So it's pretty simple maths. So that's going to add up to 130 kg. Okay. So the answer is A.